You're listening to CFRN, a community of believers who trade for a living. To learn more about who we are, what we do, and how we do it, call toll-free 1-866-928-3310, and we'll send you out a no-obligation information kit absolutely free. 866-928-3310. The CFRN Emini Futures Cast is now on Stitcher. Listen to us on your iPhone, Android phones, BlackBerry, and WebOS phones. Stitcher is smart radio for your phone. Find it in your app store or at Stitcher.com. Stitcher Smart Radio, the smarter way to listen to radio.
Are you ready, Steve? Andy? Yeah! Bert? Well, all right, fellas. Well, let's go!
You're listening to CFRN, the Christian Financial Radio Network.
Today's broadcast is brought to you by Audible. Get a free audiobook download at www.audibletrial.com/CFRN. Over 85,000 titles. Choose from mystery, romance, religion, science, technology, business, New York Times bestsellers, even children's books. You name it, Audible has it. With 85,000 titles to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect audiobook for yourself or to give as a gift, and it's absolutely free. Just point your browser to audibletrial.com/CFRN. That's audibletrial.com/CFRN. And become a part of the audiobook revolution by downloading your free audiobook today. audibletrial.com/CFRN.
Hey trader, want to get rich quick? Well, good luck with that. If on the other hand you actually want to learn how to trade, the place to be is www.cfrn.net. Tune in Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern for our daily devotional, and then spend the next 3 hours learning how it's done from professional traders who actually trade for a living. That's www.cfrn.net. Every trading day from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern. CFRN, a community of believers who trade for a living.
Good afternoon, traders, and welcome back to the CFRN Emini Futures Cast. This is the daily broadcast of Indeterminate Length, where we discuss all things Emini, along with some really big ideas on the finer points of trading gold, bonds, crude, sugar, the euro, and even T-bills. Joining us today from our studios in Boston, Mr. Michael Borth. From our trading desk in Chicago, Mr. Burton Schlichter. Now, to get things started, let's go to our host and founder in Studio A, overlooking South Mountain, America's largest city park. Here's Dwayne.
Good afternoon. Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, 8th day of January, 2019. Hope you're having a great Tuesday, whoever you are, wherever you are. Thanks for tuning in. So glad to have you with us. If you are returning, welcome back. If you are here for the very first time, a special welcome to you. We are certainly glad to have you with us. Wish I could tell you that the throat was better, but it's still pretty raw. So we're going to keep today's broadcast on a short leash. Twofold reason: one, the throat, and two, Michael has his regular Tuesday webinar today, and since we have so many people on the trial, I want to make sure that everyone has an opportunity to go to that webinar at 1:15 Eastern. When he comes in a few minutes, he'll give you the link, and I think you'll enjoy it. I'm sure you will. I have a chart up of the S&P 500 Emini Futures. If you can't see the chart, go to our homepage at cfrn.net. On the right-hand side of the page, click the big microphone, follow the instructions. In 30 seconds, you'll be registered. You'll have access to the charts, to the discussion, the whole shebang. Now, if you're working from a cell phone or a tablet, then you want to go to youtube.com/CFRN/live. That's where we simulcast every day this live broadcast. If you're on the trial, listen up. The trial was scheduled to run Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and extend it through Wednesday for everyone, because I know a lot of you didn't show up until Monday. Some even showed up yesterday. And I won't be able to give you as in-depth of a recap as I would like to today. So, in all fairness to all, I do believe that's how we'll handle it. And if you need the link to join the final day of the trial, then send an email to support@cfrn.net. On the right hand, no, I'm sorry, just send an email to support@cfrn.net. See, I told you. All right, a little bit of news, very little, but it's good news. Those of you that have been with us since 2005, you'll remember that Patrick Byrne, CEO of Overstock.com, was one of the early guests on the program, a friend of the station, and he's in the news again today with Overstock. Security token trading platform T0, which is a subsidiary of Overstock, has secured a patent for a platform that allows integration between traditional trading systems and digital asset exchanges. T0's crypto integration platform is designed to serve as an interface between the two types of systems. According to the filing, the platform can host initial public offerings, IPOs, and offerings of securities registered with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. It is also intended to be used to trade these securities in secondary market transactions. The digital transactional items mentioned in the patent represent tokens, securities, digital assets, digital shares, and cash equivalents. When receiving an order, the platform is expected to verify the availability and determine the best market price of the digital asset before a transaction is made. Online retail giant Overstock is a crypto-friendly company. Recently, it announced it will cover part of its tax obligation to the state of Ohio using, you guessed, Bitcoin. Ohio's new payment portal, which was launched a couple of months ago, allows businesses to pay their taxes with Bitcoin Core, that's BTC, and Bitcoin Cash, BCH, via BitPay. More and more states are opening their arms to crypto. Brazilians are on the lookout for vaults to safely store their Bitcoin. Safe storage should be a priority for any investor in possession of large amounts of digital cash. According to the local press, many Brazilians don't feel that hard wallets and secure passwords provide enough protection. Local companies manufacturing and building physical vaults have registered a growing demand for their services from cryptocurrency owners, which has actually revived the industry. A news outlet in Sao Paulo recently reported that some of the safes are part of quite a sophisticated security system. They're often installed behind reinforced armored doors and come with advanced features for biometric authorization, such as palm scanners that can identify up to 5 million points on the hand of one person who's trying to open the vault. Now, we've been preaching cold storage for quite some time. If you have more than walking around money in cryptocurrency, leaving it online is a bit risky. Leave enough online for walking around money, but the rest of it, cold storage. Let's take a look at the numbers. Now these are cash markets from around the world. Let me pull in the latest. Now we've got a speech tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern, President Trump, and he says it's going to make the news. Pretty much everything he does makes the news, but I think he may declare a state of emergency, which means he doesn't need Congress to build the wall. So we'll see how that plays out. And the markets, I suspect, during Globex tonight will be quite volatile. I'll be here. Hope you will too. Currently the Dow is up 158 points. NASDAQ is up 31. S&P 500 up 11. The Russell 2000 up 9. In the commodity basket, crude oil is up $1.34, trading $49.86 last. Gold down $4.30, trading $12.8560 last. In the Asian markets, at the close, the Nikkei was up 165 points. Shanghai was down 6, and the Hang Seng up 39. In European markets, the FTSE at the close up 50, the DAX up 56, the CAC up 54. The biggest mover and shaker of the day would be the CAC. 54 points doesn't sound like a lot, but for the CAC, it's over 1%. A mixed day in Asia, solid green in the UK, and so far a solid green day here at home. As you can see from the chart I have up, price ran up, put in a swing high at 25.81 and a quarter. Retreated back to last week's weekly trading zone, 25.46/47, and it's still bouncing off of that area that we talked about yesterday, which has a little something to do with this week's zone. And as I mentioned to someone earlier in Telegram, the potential for price to bang back and forth, not saying it will, but the potential to just kind of sideways here into the speech tonight is a possibility. With that, let's go to Michael, get a recap of everything that happened in the live training room today. Michael, if you're ready.
I am ready. I am ready. Let me move that down. Let me get the question box out. Can somebody type something in the question box so I can paste the link to the meeting this afternoon?
Again, as I said earlier, I don't know if you heard me, I'd love to see everyone who's on the trial go and be in part of that today with Michael. You know, ask lots of questions. We don't want you to be confused. We want everything to be clear. And because he won't be actually involved in trading during that webinar that he does every Tuesday afternoon, he'll have a little more time to answer, you know, any and all of your questions. He does a great job of it in the morning in the live training room, just saying this afternoon's a little bit more relaxed.
Yes, it'll be a little bit more relaxed. Let me give you the link for that. Hold on, everybody. Here is the link. Copy. Paste. There you go. Here, I'll give you the link separately as well, not with all that text. There. Okay. Ready to go.
Okie doke, it's all yours.
Thank you. All right, good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tuesday, the 8th day of January, 2019. Today, well, first, if you have not taken a free trial with us, go to the home page here at CFRN.net, right there. And right over here in the right-hand column, it says 5-day free trial, apply.cfrn.net. If you click on that, or if you click on this, or there's even another one way down at the bottom. It says start free trial. You click on any of those, you will be sent a confirmation link. Oh, I'm sorry, you'll be sent to this page. This page. On this page, all we ask for is your email, your first name, and how you found us. Hit the submit button. You can go directly to this page if you want. Just apply.cfrn.net. Hit the submit button, and then you'll be sent a confirmation link. Okay? You must use the confirmation link. Okay, you got to click that. If you don't click that, we don't know that you took the free trial. All right. All right. Let's get into the spreadsheet. Now on the spreadsheet, if you're going to read the spreadsheet, you could read all the CFTC risk disclosures down at the bottom. As I said, today is the 8th day of January 2019. Today we made 7 ticks in crude, we lost 8 ticks in gold, and we made 6 ticks on the ES. That put us at plus 65 on the morning. It's one of those days where I should have put the mouse away, but you know I can't. Today took 46 minutes and 4 trades to get to the goal for the day. At that point, we're up $150 a contract, and we took a total of 9 trades today. Okay, 9 trades. Yeah, I accidentally. Never mind. Sidetrack. So on the month now, we're up $715. That's over 5 days, averaging $143 per day. Now, keep in mind that we miss a whole bunch of opportunities because of the stuff that we're doing. But yeah, this was gold this morning. Okay, gold was really choppy in the beginning. Then right before the news came out, it had this big run up. Didn't give us any trade setups. Okay. And it had one right here that was an actual trade setup that I missed. Looks like. Right there. And that was followed up by this one that I also missed. And then I finally got one here. And I stopped out. Minus 8 ticks. That was our minus 8 on the gold. There was one more here at the end of toward the end of the session this morning, and it's just been in a range since then. You know, this was the beginning of the range, and it's just been in a tight range since then. I mean, you can see from 10:30 to here, there's so few bars, and I imagine Euro's probably similar. We didn't do anything with the Euro today. Okay, it was a slow grind right here this morning, and you know I was waiting until it started to develop a nice trend. Then once it did develop a nice trend right here, the slingshot was not agreeing with it. There was one short here that I missed, a long here that I missed, and a long there that I missed. All right, and you can see it's just like gold. It hasn't done anything since we ended the first session. Crude oil. Let's take a peek at crude. What do we do on crude? Yeah, okay. Well, we started out really choppy here on crude. Then it started to trend, and we missed a momentum long trade right there. Missed a bounce off the BBC right there. Then we had a break even there. Missed a short momentum trade below the trend line right there. Then we grabbed this one finally. We picked up 15 ticks on that. We missed that one. Had another break even right there. Then it got choppy. And I was waiting for it to get out of this chop. It looks like there was a momentum short right there. And then I stopped out on this. So that put us down to +7. Missed a momentum long there. And let's see what happened during the break here. Looks like we had one long right there, another long right there, and a short right here during the break. Okay, but we ended with +7 on crude today. On the ES, I was starting to tell you earlier, I had accidentally left an order on the ES, and then I put another order on, and so I ended up short right in here, in this move down right here. I think I left an order on up here, and I picked up 12 ticks on 2 contracts, and I don't know, it was just a mistake. I didn't count that. I didn't count that toward the total. Let's see, right here, I think I picked up, what did I pick up there? 2 ticks, and over here, we picked up 4 ticks to give us +6 on the morning. And then during the break, there was a short from right here and a long from right there during the break. Yeah, and that was it. That was it on the morning. So with that, I will bring this back up and say, if you're going to read the spreadsheet, you got to read all the CFTC risk disclosures down at the bottom. Today, again, is the 8th day of January, 2019. Made 7 ticks in crude, lost 8 ticks in gold, made 6 ticks on the ES, put us at plus 65 on the morning. Okay. Today it took 46 minutes and 4 trades to get to the goal for the day. At that point, we're up $150 a contract, and we took a total of 9 trades. Okay, 9 trades. So on the month, that puts us at $715 plus 715. That's over 5 days, averaging 143 per day. And it's the same thing on the year. Okay, now, if you have not taken a free trial and you want to, go to the home page at CFRN.net, and over here in the right-hand column, this is 5-day free trial. Click on that, apply.cfrn.net. Or you can click down here, free 5-day trial. Down here, use proprietary indicators for free. Click on any of that, and it'll eventually bring you to this page where all we ask for is your email, your first name, and how you found us. Hit the submit button, and you'll be sent a confirmation link. You must click on the confirmation link. Okay? If you don't click the link, we don't know that you took the free trial. All right? All right. With that, we can pass it back out to fabulous Phoenix, Arizona, Studio A overlooking South Mountain, America's largest city park, where Dwayne is probably currently residing. Dwayne, if you are ready.
Yes, I am.
Excellent. Excellent.
Okay. Recap of the recap.
Today it took 46 minutes and 4 trades to get to $150 per contract.
Excellent. All right, guys. Once again, the alert trial is extended through tomorrow. Due in partially because I'm not able to give you a full recap today. The results are great. Everything that happened on Concierge and the channel, nothing but good news for you. But you're gonna have to wait till tomorrow because I've tried to be brave here, but this is about as brave as I get. So we're gonna wrap it short today. This gives everybody an opportunity to go to Michael's webinar. If I have a mentoring session with you this afternoon, I will certainly be there, and I'll be in the Telegram channel where I can type and not talk. Anything you want to add, Mike?
This afternoon, I typically start the meeting at I start the meeting up. As soon as I log out of here, I'll log in there and I'll open it up. But the meeting will be open for people to come in and join. For probably a half hour before I actually start the audio part of the meeting. Okay, just want to let everybody know. I usually put a note in there that says audio will begin at 1:15. And that's it.
Excellent. All right, guys. All right. Again, my apologies for the brevity of the broadcast. We'll do a full one tomorrow, God willing. This condition is better. But thanks so much for tuning in. Whoever you are, wherever you are, may God continue to richly bless you with His mercy and with His grace. And I'll see you at the bell.
Remember this, there is no greater return on investment than to see a human life changed and given hope. As always, pray hard and trade safe. Any financial information discussed on this show is simply the opinion of our host, Dwayne Reeves, his co-hosts, and guests. To learn more about trading Emini Futures or to take a 1-week free trial in our live trading room, call 1-866-928-3310. 866-928-3310. Information discussed on this radio program should not be construed as a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Always do your own due diligence and consult with a licensed securities broker or financial planner before making any investment decision.